Alright, so what this video is to just kind of throw it out there. This syndrome that some people get, worse than ever. And what it is I call it the rotten egg burp syndrome. And it's not just indigestion or, just having these bad smelling burps. No, it's followed by bloating, nausea, vomiting, but usually for sure diarrhea, really bad. And if you eat anything like within the same day, usually it'll just spark it again. You get the rotten egg burps, the nausea, the vomiting, perhaps, and diarrhea. And it's pretty bad. And I've read there's a few things it could be. It could be gastroparesis, where you have slow stomach emptying, so the food sits there and ferments. It could be related to small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, which I was tested positive for. My stomach emptying test was normal, but one way I deal with it is don't eat for the rest of the day. And the other way is you can't use baking soda and all these things. That must be for like indigestion or something, but for this syndrome, nothing can stave it off except for not eating. And the other thing is what you should do if you have this problem a lot. I used to have it 2 to 3 times a week. Space your meals out. Don't eat snacks. Eat 3 times a day. Don't eat huge meals either, because that's when I seem to have gotten it the most. After I ate large meals, sometimes wake up in the morning with it, because the food just sits in your stomach. And I also was on nicotine gum, so maybe that was a reason, because that's a risk factor of getting gastroparesis. So whatever you can do, try to just try it for a week. Don't snack. Eat 3 times a day. So you're eating like every 5 to 6 hours or more, and it should be fine. I haven't had them for 4 months now, because I've been strict with my diet. I have other problems, but they're minimal compared to the rotten egg burps. So what do you think?